Here is what you need to do to make money with this election. It is only the people that understand these taxes that will make it big with this US presidential election. In this video, I'll be showing you and sharing with you one, the election prediction analysis. Who will win? Is it Trump or is it Kamala Harris? Then we look at Elon Musk taxes. Then we look at the coins that we need to buy now to make money with the election. To get started, kindly hit the subscription button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification bell so that when next I create another content, you'll be the first to be notified. Let me quickly disclaim that nothing I'm sharing in this video is an advice. Nothing is a financial advice. Kindly ensure you do your own research and make sure that you do your research and make decisions based on the research that you are doing. Let's get started. First, the price of Bitcoin is currently at $71,000. This is bullish, and this is leading up to the election. Let's look at what are the drivers. The election prediction analysis. I think this is the driver for the crypto market at the moment. Okay, let's look at the election prediction analysis. So this is analysis that shows presidential election winner 2024, who is going to win the election. Now you can see that Donald Trump has 66.3%, okay, and Kamala Harris has 33.8%. Now this is obvious. It is obvious that Donald Trump is going to be the winner of the election. We might likely be the winner of the election. Now, why is bullion market data or bullion market prediction important? Why is it important, and why is it different from other polls, other election prediction polls? Now, it is important because money is on the line. Before you can predict, before you can vote, before you can bet, or that either Donald Trump or Kamala Harris will win, you need to use money, your hard-earned money, to bet. So this data, this election prediction data, is very important and is very, very critical. You can rely on it to a greater extent. All right, so we have established, based on bullion market data, election prediction analysis, that Donald Trump would most likely be the winner of the election. Now, what next? Okay, we'll now look at Elon Musk thesis. Now, when you look at what is happening, you discover that Elon Musk is really involved with this election because he believes that the rise and fall of America, of the United States of America, depends on this election. So he's very, very serious about the whole thing. So we look at what Elon Musk is saying and what are Elon Musk shows. Okay, so let's watch the clip here, and this clip will help us to understand.
I'm doing this because I think it's critical to the future of the country, and if America falls, nothing else matters. We're not getting to Mars or anything. I'm hoping that we get President Trump elected, and then I'll work hard on the Department of Government Efficiency. After that, I hope I can not be in politics. That would be my hope. I'm doing this because I think it's critical to the future of the country, and if America.
Okay, so now Elon Musk has been for Donald Trump. Okay, he wants Donald Trump to be elected, and because he believes when Donald Trump is elected, Donald Trump will be critical in the growth of American politics, and it will make and position America, US, to be or to continue to be the leading country, okay, in the world. So Elon Musk believes in this, and also Elon Musk believes in that someone that has courage to lead on the United States of America. And you saw what happened when Donald Trump was shot and he lifted his palm, and he was shouting, "Fight, fight, fight." So this is very important. Now, because of that, Elon Musk is proposing that a commission, okay, a ministry called, an agency called the Department of Government Efficiency. So when elected, he will be the one to head the Department of Government Efficiency. And the goal of the Department of Government Efficiency is to ensure that there's efficiency in government spending. So that means if government is spending 5 trillion, now most of the expenditure of the government are not efficient. So he's going to work on it to ensure that the government is saving money and government is efficient in its spending, and government also cut waste. So now, because of Elon Musk's involvement in this election, this is super bullish for the crypto industry. And because of this, now there are two meme coins that we believe will have huge impact from now to the election and after the election. And these coins are tied to Elon Musk. So we'll be looking at them now, and we'll look at where to buy this coin from. But let's look at those coins. So the first one is called the Department of Government Efficiency. Okay, the Department of Government Efficiency. So Elon Musk proposed to establish a Department of Government Efficiency when Trump is elected. Now, the purpose of this department will be to help governments to avoid waste, to reduce waste, okay, and also help governments to make money. That money can be used, can be invested in critical infrastructure that the country needs. Okay, so as a result of that, a token was created called DOGE, Department of Government Efficiency. Now, let's look at it. The role of this project of this meme coin is to ensure transparency and awareness. Okay, to educate and engage the public on the indications of government spending, promoting a culture where every taxpayer understand and question where their money goes, accountability in government spending, innovation in governance. Okay, so this is the goal of this project. Now, let's look at the website of this project. This is the website of this project, and you can see that this is a very important meme coin. Okay, it's not just any meme coin that does not have a website, does not have a corporate website. So you can see that the UI is so superb, and that means this team, it's the team that is behind this project are professional. Dodge Elon Musk is blending his financial influence with this foray into public service through the Department of Government Efficiency. Dodge on its own a token representing this new future of political reform and meme culture brings untapped potential for explosive growth, as it is not only tapped into Elon Musk's reputation for meme driven market, but also anchor itself in a serious mission to overhaul government efficiency. This coin could realistically see billions in market cap, potentially rivaling Dogecoin peak. Now, most people believe that this Dogecoin, I'm going to explain the price action today, it could rival Doge. Okay, we're coming to that. But let's hear what President Trump has to say about the project.
Who has given me his complete and total endorsement. That's nice. Smart guy. He knows what he's doing. He knows what he's doing. It's very, very much appreciated. I will create a government efficiency commission tasked with conducting a complete financial and performance audit of the entire federal government and making recommendations for drastic reforms. We need to do it. Can't go on the way we are now. And Elon, because he's not very busy, has agreed to head that task force. Be interesting. If he has the time, it'll be a good one to do it, but he's agreed to do it. In 2022, fraud and improper payments alone cost taxpayers an estimated hundreds of billions of dollars. As the first order of business, this commission will develop an action plan to totally eliminate fraud and improper payments within 6 months. This will save trillions of dollars, trillions. It's massive. For the same service that you have right now, trillions of dollars is wasted and gone and nobody knows where it went. Further taming inflation and bringing prices way down.
Okay, so that is it. Donald Trump is fully in support of the proposed the Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, that Elon Musk has proposed. Okay, so the next now, let's look at this project and where can this project be bought? This project is listed on the Ethereum chain. Okay, so look at the price action for this project. The current market cap is $64.7 million, and this project has the potential to go into billions of dollars. Okay, so where can you buy this project? You can buy it through a Uniswap. Okay, you can also buy it through CoinX, some other exchanges. You can also buy this project from the other centralized exchanges. So the Department of Government Efficiency, that is the first project. Now the second project, which I think is also very important, is Doge. Now Elon Musk has two projects, two Bitcoin that he's supporting. The first one is Department of Government Efficiency. The next one is Dogecoin. Now Elon Musk is supporting Dogecoin because he believes that Dogecoin is the people's currency, is the people's meme coin, and he wants to support it. And I think there are rumors that Dogecoin will be used as a payment integration, or payment system that will be integrated into Twitter payment in the future. Okay, and also Tesla will accept Dogecoin payments sometimes in the future, or is currently doing it at the moment. So let's watch this clip. You understand what Elon Musk has to say about Dogecoin and why I think Dogecoin is bullish to us as we approach this election and after the election.
When can you buy a Tesla with Dogecoin? Well, at some point, I think we should enable that. You can buy Tesla merch with Doge, which is cool. So Dogecoin to the moon. In fact, a lot of people maybe don't know the reason that I actually ended up somewhat endorsing Dogecoin when I was walking around the factory at Tesla, some people they were just they were working the line, like not rich people or anything, and they said, "Can you please support Doge?" And then also, I was at SpaceX, and also just walking the factory, and some regular guys just said, "Hey, can you support Doge?" And I was like, you know what? Doge is the people's crypto, so I will support it because lots of rich people were supporting Bitcoin, but I was like, but the people in the line want me to support Doge, I'll support Doge. So.
Okay, now that is Elon Musk's position regarding Dogecoin. So he's fully in support of Dogecoin and he wants Dogecoin to change people's life and destiny. All right, so where can you buy Dogecoin from? So for Dogecoin, the market price for Dogecoin is $24 billion. And you can see that its all-time market cap was over, okay, I think it's over $82 billion. So it is a very, one of the, in fact, it is the leader of the meme coin sector. So where can you buy this from? You can buy Dogecoin from almost all tier one centralized exchanges. Binance, you can buy it from Snowcase, from Bybit, from Mexi. Like just go to any exchange and you'll be able to find Dogecoin to buy. Okay, so there are other projects that are shaded with Elon Musk, like Dogelon, Elon, Grok, Terminus. All these projects are shaded with Elon Musk. You can also take a look at them. They are but the two projects that I believe you can make huge money, you can make life transforming money from as the election approaches and after the election are Dogecoin and the Department of Government Efficiency. All right, guys. If you find this video content very helpful, kindly hit the subscription button and subscribe to this channel. Like and comment. Do you think there are other projects that we should look at that we should consider trading within this election and after election? Kindly comment in the comment section. Okay, there's a video about the top AI meme coins that you should hold. AI meme coin that could become like that has the potential of growth that you should hold in your portfolio. Check them out. Check it out, and you'll find it very interesting. CoinDollar has a Telegram community where we give alpha and guide people on how to make dollars in crypto on a daily basis. Check the description section and you'll find the link to join the community.